letter F, hydroxide ion. So we're dealing with charge. We know what this looks like. It's oxygen and hydrogen with an overall -1 charge. Okay, so if I just set it up, there's my oxygen, there's our hydrogen. Let's go through our process. We know since there's only one oxygen that it contributes 6 valence electrons plus the singular valence electron from the hydrogen. So we have a total of 7. But what did I not do? What did I not do? Did you catch it? We have a -1 charge. What does that mean? So if this is our number of protons, this is our number of electrons. We've added an additional electron. So we got to make sure that we add that. Plus 1 electron equals a total of 8 that we need to account for in the end. Do not lose sight of that. Always think, okay, ions, I got to make sure that I adjust my numbers there. All right, now,